Hi, welcome to my first vlog in second semester. So today, my plans are to do the laundry and then go to the library and study. And then around 5, come back to eat. And after that, go to the rugby field. There's a rugby match today, so I'm planning to go and watch. It starts around 3:30, so I hope I will make it. Cause I'm racing against time, and now the time is it's 10. So around 11 I should be down here. I should be down here.
That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as.
Yeah, I would visualize.
This is when you were broke and poor,
right? Having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million.
So guys, now I'm going to the library to start until 3:30 so that I can go and watch the rugby match. Yeah, so I'm on my way to the library now. And another thing about the vlogs that I've been posting, I just want to clarify that those vlogs are from first semester. So I know some vlogs, some of them state that I'm writing an exam so I can go home and all those things and etc. But all of those 5, I think there are 5 of them if I'm not mistaken, but all of them that have been posted before this one that I'm currently doing right now. So this semester I haven't recorded any vlog. This is my first one, and in those 5 vlogs that I've already posted, I still have to post 2 of them because I did a thing about the week. I recorded for the week. So there are already 5 of them that I have already uploaded. So I will also edit the last 2 and upload them, but I think I will combine them to be one vlog and then post them. So the vlog that you will see after this one, because I'm planning to edit this real quick and then upload it as soon as possible. So if you see a vlog after this one that says I'm going home, or I'm done writing the exam after this one, just know it's the last semester vlog. It's the last semester vlog, and maybe I'll upload it this week. I don't know, but I will see. Ngeke ndiyenze loo nto. I continued studying until 1:30 in the morning, then I slept. So now the vlog ends here. So please like and share, comment. Don't forget to also subscribe. And remember, it takes one man's hard work to inspire the next. So thank you. Bye.